sabali omuske bwense. I think they are not telling him the truth. That is what I will summarize, and are not giving it in reference to the entire Kisii County. Chipaches njiroro moske William Ruto akolilegas. But majority of the patches, including Nyaribari Chache, they are not telling him the truth. What he was launching, togo ikakiumbu chikoronzi para, omanya koronchi pale kalinyaguta kwa nyeroka kiumbu. Gendo ba kuomana kwache kwa paint, kwa change, kwa letter the correct, kwa launch 5 roads at the same time. That is not how it works. They are not telling him the truth. Cancer Center present Karonchi. Omonto immediately have launched because it's a national government project. Omo jumba kwenete kominyo healthy house. Akua mororo kento keri murigo sukia ola la kera president ya motebanda mbali kwa. 4 years later president era launched abone tocha kuigora no ne kiripu kelia kwanete kera ku launch igate tengango chande in 2 years kuigora igate bado no getenene muna getenene. They are not telling him the truth. Chipara chirimpaka bachina bakole tuchi contractor bapi manande bagenda. They are not telling him the truth. So esabali yaye there are patches where he launched something like KMTC Ogembo, which started at the same time with ours. Lige kaera agachaka igora. Yeah. So that those are the things you need to check. And the best way to check sabali yonsi ipi is to summarize that in most of the patches up when the Tegocha Koronchichi project, he gave an extra promise. And it's not largely how it was designed. It is because the people have been doing other businesses to the extent you mojumbago tenenote babono present no kurwa ntagete mumbu ato mugondo gaiga ntagete bono nkolele housing. Okolelu housing when we don't even have anything. Liko gusaba no nyine no nenya gitali ebe expanded 5 acres utaite gukora for device nge karutomanya tene biasara ni jidiri okoliye omugondo to yobwate mugondo no bo Nyaribari asobegete CDF office no bo Nyaribari. You need to ask people, do you need me gukora housing? Because we know the housing you want to launch ni biasara biaye. That is why we are having a problem.